Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's math tutorial, we want to solve this exponential equation with radicals. That is, the square root of 125 to the power of x is equal to 25 to the power of square root of x. First, 125 and 25 can be expressed as powers of 5. 125 is 5 to the third power, that raised to power x, and everything is enclosed in the square root. While on the right hand side, 25 is 5 to the second power, and that with the square root of x as another exponent. Recall that from the law of power of a power, a to the power of k, enclosed in parentheses, now to the power of m, is the same thing as a raised to the power of the product, km. This is called the law of power of a power in the law of exponents and power. Applying this on both sides of the equation, we have 5 to the power of the product of 3 and x, which is 3x on the left, and on the right it is 5 to the power of 2 times square root of x. Another law of exponent and power that we apply here is the law of fractional exponent. The law of fractional exponent has it that the square root of a is a to the fractional power of half. Applying this to the left hand side, the square root of 5 to the power of 3x becomes 5 to the power of 3x, then with half as an exponent, while the right hand side still remains 5 to the power of 2 root x. Applying the law that we earlier used, power of a power, on the left hand side, the equation becomes 5 raised to power 3x over 2 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side it is 5 raised to power 2 root x. Since the bases are equal, being 5, they can be dropped off while we equate the exponents, giving us 3x over 2 equals to 2 root x. Then here we multiply both sides by 2 in order to clear the fraction. That is, 3x over 2 times 2 is equal to 2 root x times 2. On the left hand side we have 3x, while on the right hand side it is 4 root x, as 2 times 2 is 4. Then to clear the square root symbol, we are going to square both sides. That is 3x all squared on the left and 4 root x all squared on the right. The left hand side becomes 9x squared, while the right hand side becomes 16x, as the square of the square root of x is x. Then we subtract 16x from both sides. That is 9x squared minus 16x, and on the right 16x minus 16x, which eventually becomes 0, so that we have 9x squared minus 16x equals to 0. X can be factored from the left hand side, so when we factor x, it's going to be x times the quantity 9x minus 16, and everything equals to 0. By the zero product property, if the product of two numbers or quantity is 0, then it follows that either of them is 0. So this means that x could either be 0 or 9x minus 16 equals to 0. X could be 0, or adding 16 to both sides, 9x could be 16, meaning that x could take on the values 0 or x could be 16 over 9. It is important to check the validity of our results. So first, we make a check when x is 0. When x is 0, we plug in 0 into the original equation, which is the square root of 125 to the power of x, which is 0. On the left hand side, we want to see if it's indeed equal to the right hand side, which is 25 to the power of the square root of x, which is 0. Here, 125 to the power of 0 is 1, so we have square root of 1 on the left, and we want to see if it's indeed equal to 25, where the square root of 0 is 0 to the power of 0. Square root of 1 is 1, and 25 to the power of 0 is 1. Since the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, then x equals to 0 is a real and valid solution. Next, we check when x is 16 over 9. Substituting this into the original equation, we have the square root of 125 raised to power 16 over 9. And we want to test if this is actually going to be equal to 25 raised to power square root of 16 over 9. So once again, the square root of 125 is written as 5 to the third power, and that raised to power 16 over 9. And on the right side, we want to test if this is equal to 5 raised to power 2 for 25. Raised to power square root of 16 over 9 is 4 over 3. On the left side, 3 can divide 9 to give us the square root of 5 raised to power 16 over 3, while the right side is 5 raised to power 8 over 3. The square root of 5 raised to power 16 over 3 is written as 5 raised to power 16 over 3, then raised to power half. The right hand side remains 5 raised to power 8 over 3. Now, half of 16 over 3 is 8 over 3. So the left hand side is 5 raised to power 8 over 3, which is actually equal to the right hand side, which is also 5 raised to power 8 over 3. Meaning that x equals to 16 over 9 is another real and valid solution. Therefore, we can conclude that indeed the solution to the exponential equation with radicals is 0 or 16 over 9. I believe you enjoyed this tutorial. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Give the video a like and help us to share it. If you are yet to be a subscriber of this channel, we are presenting you the opportunity to do so now. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any update from this channel. So we see you again in any of our videos, and especially as you expect our next video, we say thank you for watching this video. Bye.